Time's now 4:45. Let's get back over to Alexandra.
Good morning, Leslie. Everything different today. You'll step outside and you will not feel crisp and cool and fall-like. Yesterday we had some upper 40s at least Slidell and some 50s. Today we're starting in the 60s and 70s. Our dew point has gone way up, our humidity way up, and you will certainly notice it when you step outside. That's thanks to south and southeast winds. Current temperatures north of the lake, upper 60s or lower 70s. Homa, Raceland, Thibodaux, all about 70 right now. Look at Buras, a degree below 80 degrees. And then along the south shore of Lake Pontchartrain in New Orleans, we have temperatures around 73 or 74. We have also, with the increase in temperatures compared to yesterday morning, we've seen some fog develop. So we do have a dense fog advisory for these parishes and counties north of Lake Pontchartrain, including Bogalusa, which is showing a quarter-mile visibility. And there could also be low visibilities on the causeway and twin spans this morning with that increase in moisture building up at the surface. Satellite and radar is quiet aside from a few showers off the coast of eastern Mississippi, or Mississippi coastline over toward Harrison and Jackson counties. Here is our front, which will be approaching today. And here is some more moisture out over the Gulf of Mexico. Now, if we zoom out, you can see Tropical Storm Carl in satellite imagery here swirling in the southwestern Gulf. This is not going to make its way toward the northern Gulf Coast. This is not a threat for us as far as tropical impacts go. But what it has done is just generally provide more moisture around in the Gulf so that we have a rain chance today. I'll show you Carl's track, which is eventually moving southward in just a minute. But for us today, we're looking warm and humid, highs about 85, and some scattered rain. And I want to say some scattered rain. I'll show you a model in a second that's not going with as much rain as we were thinking. That often happens in October. Models overperform a few days out and then go a little skimpy as we actually get the rain. You saw the hour-by-hour planner. We're looking for a 30% chance of rain continuing tonight, although most of the showers will be ending overnight, and temperatures in the upper 60s to about 70. Now here's our high resolution model. 9 a.m. a few showers off of our coast perhaps. We'll fast forward to this afternoon, and there is a little bit of shower and storm action starting to pop up on our high resolution model. 3-4 p.m. couple of showers here and there. But notice there's just not a whole lot to work with. So you might be lucky if you get one of those showers, bringing you maybe a 1/10, quarter inch of rain, something like that. Now this model, when the front actually moves in tomorrow, it has another wave of rain, and this would be potentially early Thursday, maybe around sunrise tomorrow. Not looking extremely heavy, but we do have a chance for rain then, and then the front moves in. So our rainfall forecast amounts are not looking very promising. About a quarter inch up to that indicated by the GFS, and almost nothing indicated now by the Euro. But hey, any little bit would be good after such a long month-plus long dry spell. This is Tropical Storm Carl. It is not a very strong storm, and just to show you its track very quickly, it will take this little hairpin curve. That's the latest from the National Hurricane Center and many models, eventually moving into Mexico and weakening, and likely not strengthening into a hurricane. It looks like it will have some upper level winds to deal with and could dissipate over Mexico in the next maybe 2 or 3 days. So not a threat for us, but just another named storm out there in the southern Gulf of Mexico, staying way to the south.